There's high vis, isn't there, if you want it?
Immediately by the nearest exit, or as directed by members of staff. Ladies and gentlemen, due to unforeseen circumstances, we must ask you to leave the building immediately by the nearest exit, or as directed by members of staff.
Turn your volume down, everybody.
Ladies and gentlemen, due to unforeseen circumstances, we must ask you to leave the building immediately by the nearest exit, or as directed by members of staff.
The speakers are going to... That door's open as well.
Due to unforeseen circumstances, we must ask you to leave the building immediately by the nearest exit, or as directed by members of staff.
So there's a fire alarm going off in here.
Ladies and gentlemen, due to unforeseen circumstances, we must ask you to leave the building immediately by the nearest exit, or as directed
What
by
the fuck?
members of staff. Ladies and gentlemen, due to unforeseen circumstances, we must ask you to leave the building immediately by the nearest exit, or as directed by members of staff.
Oh, it's going to be loud.
Ladies and gentlemen, due to unforeseen circumstances, we must ask you to leave the building
Yeah, the fire alarm's going off here.
exit, or as directed by members of staff.
Yeah!
Come on. Yes. Yes.
There we go, no more alarm. Oh yes, look at that one there. Look. Enter if you're there, that's sick. I turned it off.
Oh.
It had a button that just said silence. Yeah. What's going on, everyone? So we are at an abandoned nightclub, sitting on the floor there.
Oh my god.
I think some people might have got shot here in the 20s. Nice one, Jason, for the 50 stars. Hey, everyone on the stream. So yeah, the alarm was going off when we got here, but now we're going to explore it. This is a huge building, and there's definitely upstairs as well, so we've got to try and find the upstairs. But it used to be quite a good venue. You got one of the bars. We need to find the stairs. We don't give out locations, guys. So let's find the stairs. No. Is this the stair? Oh, look at that for a lock. Keep liking and sharing, guys. Let's get them numbers up. Oh, people are getting in through there, look. Does anyone find any stairs? Oh, I bet this nightclub was booming. It's definitely stairs, isn't there? Because this building's a lot taller than just this. Nice one, showing her for the 50 stars. What's going on, Danny? Maybe, oh, not that way. I need to get that way. It's dark in here, though. Found it?
No.
Once. Oh, the cellar. Yes. Oh, someone's fucking destroyed your stickers. Urbex Trio and Urbex CBD. Some wanker's fucking drawn over you with this pen. Bollocks. Someone's number. David O'Sullivan. Keep seeing your sticker everywhere on the latest ones I'm doing. That's sick as sick. But yeah, someone's destroyed your stickers. Halloween. Nah, the alarm was going off for a while. Nice one, Kerry, for the 99 stars, and everyone else at the centre may have missed them. Colette with the 100. And Vince with the 100 as well. Nice one, guys. Over by the toilets. Apparently the stairs are by the toilets. Yeah, it's this one. This could be on, yeah. Keep liking and sharing, guys. Almost at that 6. I know, toilets. Oh! Scary, isn't it? That's not him. Anyone found him? Nice one, Vince, for another 200 stars.
Does it go both ways? Yeah, all go both ways.
Yeah. Stairs are in here. Yo, what's going on, Jade? Was this the sex nightclub that everyone's calling? Don't look like it. What's a sex nightclub? I've never heard of one. And that's me being honest, not just me being honest. How do I send stars, mate? I love watching these explores, wicked. I love that, actually. There should be just a star thing at the bottom. But it's all good, just enjoy the explore, mate. Yeah, nice one, Chris. Oh, wow. So much more to this. Yeah, the power's on, so how do we turn the lights on? It's got to be a staff part. So, well, yeah, our VIP section. Little dancing podium. Nice, look at this. Nice one, Sammy. Christian, how to turn the lights on, bro? Oh, look at the velvet road. That's how we're doing it. VIP only. I don't know how to put that back on. Nice one, Susan, for the 50 stars. Yo, I'm going up there. There's sensors all over this place, you know, that were going off while we're walking. Yo, this place is massive. Anyone found? They've got to be downstairs, the lights. Just, keep liking and sharing, guys. Let's see if we can hit that K mark today. Oh, wow. Yo. Do you reckon this is... nice one, Vince, for the massive 500. Oh, there was a star party, I didn't even know.
This is where the VIP would be. Up here.
Yo.
Away from other people, having their own bar, their own seating area.
Little booths.
I'm saying.
DJ, someone said. Right there, let me just try and read them comment. 1 second.
In the DJ booth, the light,
Yeah, let me just go and tell them. Do you reckon it goes down to that one?
Yeah, you can get it down there, yeah.
Go on then, let's go and have a look. Let's get the lights on so we can show everyone properly. VIP area, look at this. Oh, there's a dicky bow here. Maybe it was like a bit of a strip club kind of sexy bar. Oh, wow. Yo, look at this. Keep smashing that like button, guys. Give it a share, right?
Is that this place as well?
Yeah. Oh, so this is the main entrance.
Yeah.
Yo, the lights are in the DJ booth apparently. Let's have a look. How's the signal, guys? Is it alright? Where's the lights? Chris?
There is an alarm clock.
Yeah, by the front door. That's the front entrance down there. The alarm's going off.
Oh, really?
Wow, it's like, I think it's just an internal one, to be honest. Maybe it's the DJ booth downstairs.
Maybe.
Little white box and DJ booth, middle floor. So this one, do you reckon it's that then? Oh yeah, light processor.
I think.
Button you press? Apparently these are the lights. Oh, do you reckon the outside of the fucking club's going mental? I'm like, it's not working. And old Bill are going, yeah, they're definitely in there. Nah, they're not working. Keep liking and sharing, guys. There's a wire going up. Oh, it is as well, yeah, look. You can see the night vision on the camera. I need to find the office because they'll probably be internal. Nightclubs are always internal in case I need to delete any of the footage. Ask Ace-Star to wave his Bambino, please, Mr. A. That was Keith, that was. Right, this is a VIP section above you.
Is it?
Yeah, there's another bar and stuff. Oh. Oh, it goes up again. Oh, it goes up to that part then. Is that one up?
Probably. Oh. Yeah, I can see the red.
No, it's not.
Oh no. Oh no, it's just.
Cameras don't work. Sound.
Okay.
Nice one. Oh, it's there, look, up there, look. Threw me off that, dude. Before computing, no fucking advertising. Someone's gone round and scribbled on everyone's stickers, look, and then written no fucking advertising in pen on the actual property.
Yeah, this is better.
Idiot. Hi everyone. Mrs. ACR asked for a wave of his Bambino who's watching. Oh, wave to your Bambino.
Oh, hi.
That makes more sense than what I said the first time.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going back up to the VIP. Scissors.
Oh, bless him. I can't wait to see him. Make sure he's in the bedroom.
I know it's really dark, guys. I do apologise. Look, the cameras are on, look.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, but they don't work, so. They're not plugged in, there's a cable for them. Oh, you know, back to the modem.
What's that?
Dunno.
Catherine will, right?
Oh, we're almost at a K. We've got 84 to go. Keep liking and sharing, guys. And Elite did that, I bet. Yeah, Williams everywhere. Guaranteed. It's mad how much hate has started coming into the Urbex world. It's weird. Everyone, I was first here, I was first there. No one cares who was first. No one cares who was last. I just care where I'm going and where I'm at. Couldn't give a fuck who was first and who was last or who was in the middle. This would have been a really big nightclub.
Yeah.
Have you been to the front?
What there? No.
This is where the alarm's going off. Look at this. Proper snazzy entrance. You get a photo of me from down the bottom standing there on your phone.
Go on.
Nice one. No, just go down the bottom now. No, just go down the bottom.
Oh, you want me that way?
And then we jump. Yeah, I don't know if this is wood or concrete. All the way down. That's where security are. We're just going back out. Yeah. In VIP door the bar. In VIP door to the bar on the front box is from the lights. Oh, hang on, the lights might be up here, you know. I'm just going to go and have a look. The lights might be up here. In the VIP door to the bar. Right. That's the toilets. Door to the bar, so that's over here. Round here, Chris. Right, VIP door to the bar. Ah, yeah. It's doing the same. No, it's doing the same, look. Loving the carpet. Bit of VIP, gold and black and a tinted green. Discs, look at that. That's mad, look, discs hanging from the ceiling. It's a huge nightclub, isn't it? Right. Hold number 2. Oh, is that what he said? Hold number 2. Sorry, one sec. What is this? Where does this go? Yeah. Oh. It's just into the water tower. Don't work when I hold number 2. Hold some of the others. Hold number 1. It don't work then, clearly someone who's done something. Yeah, it ain't working, yeah, mate. Nice one, I appreciate that, mate. See where the others are gone. Fuse box. Where would the fuse box be? What's ACR doing outside? He ain't feeling it after them old Bill. He's off. Fuse box in that room where the ladders are. Oh yeah. So apparently, hang on. Apparently you turn the lights on by holding number 2, but we need to find the fuse box because I think the fuse has been knocked off. And I think the fuse box might be in the VIP one. Someone said. Has ACR done one outside? Keep
Come
it.
help you.
Oh.
Yeah, come through that door down there.
Oh no, I went back up. I think I just seen him outside. He might just be. He'll be right. It's up here, the VIP one. I'll go and try and find. If you see a fuse box, look for the off.
Yeah.
Is it haunted? No idea, Cafe. No idea. What's this? Coat section. Coat room for VIP members only. So if you're not a VIP, you can't put your coat in here. Not very important. Some random jam. Keep liking and sharing, guys. All the fuses have been knocked off. Definitely. It's on. Hello? Middle floor, left stairwell. Middle floor, left stairwell. Bloody hell, Chris, did you build this place? I feel like I'm playing an escape room. Can I have another clue? Middle floor. So the fuse box is middle floor, left stairwell somewhere. So, is there a stairwell in that corner? The main stairwell's there, and there's a stairwell here. So it's, would this be the left stairwell?
Thank you.
Let me just check halfway down.
Oh, we've got it.
So,
Yeah.
oh, staff only. That'd make sense, wouldn't it? Oh, lights. Are they all on? Everything is on, isn't it?
Yeah. Main switch is on.
Oh, hang on. Oh, yeah, on. Yeah, it's all on. Do you know what? I don't know how they would have turned them off then. I'm going to get to that other DJ booth and try holding 2. There's probably a couple of people that ended up paralytic in here, but I wouldn't say it is haunted from them. Any clues? I know, speakers as well. No. Right, sod the electric. Look at these little fucking tackers with a little stripper pole. Chilling here behind the GJ booth. I do, Cal. You would need a key in the DJ booth to turn the lights on. Nah, there ain't no key thing there. There's no key there. Oh, hang on. Maybe because the fire alarm is going off, it deactivates the lights, but then the fire exit lights should be activated. Yeah. Where's the security office as well? Because these have got to be going back to a modem.
Yeah.
It's a huge place, isn't it?
Yeah.
Apparently there'll be a dimmer rack in the control room, so do you reckon that'll be on the bottom floor? Because you ain't going to come in here and turn the lights on after you got to the top floor, innit?
Nah, yeah.
That stage. I have done a Peaky Blinders set. Yo. Oh, Bill. Well, should we get out? Where's the stairs there? Come on, let's get out before they come, because I don't know how to get in. Yeah, these doors open over here. Oh, they're right outside. They're there. Come and go for us. They're there.
Time for a search on section 1 of pace, mate.
Under what?
Section 1 of pace. Okay. It's time for a search on section 1 of pace. We believe it might be stealing stuff inside. Yeah, I understand that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Should we stand with this?
Yeah.
We are ready. Just.
Okay.
How did you know there's someone ringing?
You're live on TikTok.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are. We know you
No,
are.
I'm not.
Yeah, look, you're live.
Facebook.
Okay. Live, TikTok, Facebook, same thing. Yeah, alright, so basically we're going to get your details first.
Yep.
So we obviously need to know who you are. So what thought would be a good idea to go inside the building that you shouldn't be going into?
Still open, we're just having a look, it's abandoned, isn't it?
Still a private place though.
We're just having a look.
Okay.
We're not doing any harm.
Alright.
Here we are, bouncing up the curb, yeah. Like I said, you're live. We're not breaking anything.
Where have you come from to do this then? Because I'm guessing you're not from around here. Well, one, your accent.
Oh, damn, come on.
I mean, it's kind of obvious, isn't it? Just so you're aware, mate, my name's PCA, like, I'm based out of Crawley Police Station here, alright? Obviously, we're just going to start by getting your details first. So what's your surname, mate? I was
Yeah,
going
no,
to say.
sorry, Phillips, double R.
Perfect. What's your first name? Tom. We'll stay back, mate. No, that's fine. Do what you need to do.
What's what, sorry?
Date birth.
10th of
37.
87. Fucking hell, how old you done?
I was a bit confused.
Yeah, so, because the last one went to someone rang me over because there's someone
Yeah, because you guys have been to Cement Works in Shoreham before, haven't you? Have you not?
What is that round here?
It's like a massive quarry place in Shoreham.
Well,
By the
now,
coast. No, well,
go from
don't.
here.
No, honestly, don't go there because they've got security all the time and they call us all the time.
What one's that?
Cement Works somewhere. I'll check the live after.
Have you had to travel far to come here then?
I travel a lot.
No, that's fair enough.
You get to see some right enough places like okay, this one.
I don't know why you decided going here, mate. There's nothing special about this place.
You don't know till you've done it, do you? We've been in like old asylums that shut in the 80s and stuff, like, and you know, there's just mad places out there.
Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, like, the thing is, people are gonna, if people see you going in, they're always going to be concerned.
Yeah.
Because places like this, I know you guys probably don't, and I wouldn't expect it from you guys, but there are people who will go in there to look to steal stuff.
There's people going around setting on fire as well. Like,
Yeah.
It's a big problem in there.
Yeah.
We almost got away as well, didn't we? Did you see us on that corner?
No.
Oh, I thought we was going to beat around here.
We had live updates, mate, where you were. That's the problem with
45
streaming. That's the
seconds
problem
delay,
with
that's all I
streaming live. We know exactly where you are. I won't say it out loud, but is that you at the top, place of birth? Beginning with the end.
Yeah, I always rely on the 45-second delay.
You need to up that delay, mate.
I can't.
No, fine. Put your details on that. Fine, thank you. Just got to rely on the technology now, mate, for it to work.
It's that 45-second delay, right? It's a big place, though. How can it shut? Do you know?
I don't actually know.
They're in bankrupt, I think.
What, COVID or before?
Probably only in the last year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's up. To be fair, we've been coming across a load of like events and swimming baths and all that kind of stuff that are
Yeah.
closed now because of no one could go
Well,
out.
that massive building there has been shut for ages. That's always been abandoned. That building
I
above the
thought that
train
was the
station.
train station.
No, well, they're finally
Above it.
getting rid of it. They're knocking it down,
Yeah.
building a whole new train station. But that building's been abandoned for, I mean, as long as I've known it, 10 plus years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mad, isn't it?
Yeah, well, they're all working on it
Paid
now,
for the rest
so.
of the day on the parking, so.
I haven't done hers, so. Okay.
Yeah, you'll be surprised what's around. We've done like deep level shelters from World War II and stuff as well.
Really?
Wow.
Under the underground of London. It's mad.
Wow.
Like, to know what's like. There's cities under there. It's crazy what's underneath.
Will you put it live on Facebook?
Mate, can't get signal down there. So.
Video.
Got YouTube instead.
Tom, I'm not going to search you, mate. I don't think there's any needs. Obviously, just initially, that's why we need to obviously just get hold of you, just make sure that everything's nothing untoward and stuff like that, really. But you guys have been perfectly fine with us. You are who you say you are, so we're all good. I would always advise don't go into abandoned buildings. You don't know what's in there. But I can only do what I can advise.
Why we go in.
Yeah, I know. I can only advise, can't I? It'd be bad for me if I didn't.
No,
so,
no.
all right,
Nice
guys.
one, lads. Have a good
Safe
day.
journey
See
back.
you in a bit. Yeah. What's going on, everyone? Where's ACR, the little snowy?
He's in the wrong one.
Almost got away. There he is, look. So that one's abandoned there. Should we go in there? See, that's what I try and say. See how sound the mobile were? They don't really care. As long as they know you're not blowing anything up or stealing anything, trashing it, they're not interested. Almost. We almost got the power on. So yeah, there's another one. Nah, the police were saying they got a call. They're only doing the job. The police are saying. But that's what I always try and show everyone as well when we do get stopped. His house saying they are. It was a laugh, to be fair. Even though he didn't get it, he didn't quite understand why we do it. He was still saying, ACR's here now. ACR, the great learnt from the last one, great escape.
That's the aftermath of this anyway, so yeah.
Learning, ain't ya? Great escape on that one.
Mate, I'll tell you in a sec, yeah? I heard sirens. I said to her, Becky, I said, well, back in a minute, I think I can hear something. I've gone outside, checked, yeah? You hear sirens getting closer. And I was like, right, I'm trying to find you. I went straight to the top because I heard you go to the top. So I went to the top, boom, you'd gone. I looked at the glass at the top of the VIP bit. I see a foot go down on the like, next floor. So I was like, right, they've gone down the second floor, gone down the second floor, no, gone down bottom floor, didn't know where you were, and I've come out here to check again, and I've seen the blue lights come out, spin it round there, and I've come around the back of here, mate.
That's where we come round the back as they tried to go in, but you just come round the other side, running round the other side, so...
Shit.
Let they laugh at your hoodie. Oh yeah, I've completely forgot I had that on. So, watching live for the updates. Yeah. But I'm guessing, Beck, that sounded like someone phoned again, innit? From the... Got them told that... Well, I don't know. All well done in the game. Well, I'm going to end this, guys. We're going to figure out where we're going next. Let's keep the day rolling. Hope you all enjoyed it. Everyone, if you could just smash that like button one last time. There's 738 of you on. If you could just give it a share, help the page out. Remember to follow my page. He's a sound, was it? Yeah, he was. He was sound, to be fair. He didn't give a fuck. The CID went and done the quick check and they fucked off while they were still talking to us. ACR is live on his page. Yeah, ACR's here. ACR would never ring the police. Yeah, I don't know who said that, but no, ACR definitely didn't ring the police.
Why would I do that? It's like taking stuff off your own doorstep.
It does. It's good to interact with the old Bill for a bit again. I haven't actually interacted with him for a while.
Well, I think it's safe to say I may have lost my vape. But hey, at least I lost that. And
Lost
else.
your what?
My vape.
Oh.
At least it was fucking nothing else.
2 cop cars from Australia and Pluto's out there. But it's the same person.
Probably is the same.
Are we there yet? We're out there now. We're really
I
sorry.
like my gas. Let's not make it hat trick, yeah?
I ring police. Nah, Johnny, you wish you know where we was. Is there any more? Yeah, there's more. We're going to go and figure it. We're going to go and figure out where we're going next, and I'll keep you updated on the page. So let me just figure everything out. I might do a live on the way there as well, so I'll catch you all on the next one. Nice one, guys. Peace.